All right, we're in this loading dock room. They have all sorts of stuff here. It looks like they're doing all sorts of work on the building, but look over here. We've got the armor freight elevator, and just to show where it is, it's how's it going? There's the main elevators right there. Anyway, here's the freighter. All right, so we got to close the doors up. Here's your panel. This one's still original, armor. Cool. All right, oh, here's your certificate if you want to look at that real fast. All right, close the doors up. All right, let's go up to 4, or down to 1 first. This is a new pump and controller, unfortunately, by Schindler. Yeah, because I was in a motor. Is this? Yeah, this is number 3. Unfortunately, Schindler replaced the controller and the pump. All right, up to 4. I like how they just slap some stickers on the door so you know what floor it is. They put a couple, one there, and then one there for good measure. I don't know why you don't just spray paint a big old floor. That's what they usually do on freight elevators. Just get the spray paint can and go to town with the labeling that way. All right, anyway, back to 1. It's a bummer this one isn't on its original armor pump, and that actually kind of makes me wonder, are the passengers on their original pumps and logic too? Well, the unmodded one that's currently taken out of service to be modded. You know what I mean, at least back when they were originally running. Definitely a new pump, sadly. Womp womp. All right, let's go up to 2, back where it was originally. Yeah, that's definitely new. I mean, I know it's new. I literally saw the pump, but still, I don't know why I'm questioning it. Anyway, I don't know why they left the doors open. Maybe someone forgot. I'm gonna close the doors for them. Be nice, you know, be courteous. Proper freight elevator etiquette, you know. Be kind, close it up when we're done. I had a feeling someone just forgot to close the door the last time. Just push it down there. All right, I don't like these telescoping gates. They're very clunky. I mean, I get why if there's no overhead clearance, but still, they're very clunky to use. All right. Anyway, that is all for the freighter here. And we will see if it gets modded, I guess.